Good day, viewers. Welcome to Resident Evil 4 Separate Ways. I'm Shadow Blade.
Dengekiko here.
Now I'm ready to finish this too, so we're going to load game mode.
Got a selection of good things on sales.
The only reason I've taken on this mission is to get closer to my own objective. No matter what happens, I can't let anyone figure that out. Of course, hiding in the shadows isn't my style. I'll have to reveal myself to him and offer advice once in a while.
Once in a while?
Umbrella.
No vamos. ¡Ah, qué madre!
Te cogí.
Nice.
So I see you've managed to arrive at the village on time.
Yes, but nobody remembered to roll out my red carpet.
The villagers there are all being controlled. They automatically attack any intruders. Ring the church bell. That should quiet them down for a while.
Sounds like they're good, obedient boys and girls.
Unfortunately, time is not a luxury we have. Gather as much information as you can about the parasites and finish off this little tour.
Leon.
There's Neptune.
Ring the church bell.
Oh, using Dengekiko in this one. Wow.
Of course I'm prepared.
¡Detrás de ti, imbécil!
I can hear someone behind me, that's why I ran. What?
No one was behind. Hey, completely far away. Oh. Who's shooting?
That's Neptune shooting.
Oh. Ooh.
¡Un forastero!
Oh, you got spotted.
Did I?
Oh,
Had to be warned.
weird.
Hear what?
Shooting.
That's Neptune.
Whoa! You know, I didn't see that.
See what?
See that one? Oh, look. You have one of those.
Not much enemy in
¡Un forastero!
It makes it completely different compared to Neptune's.
¡Detrás de ti,
I
imbécil!
didn't have time to fix it that much.
Let's see.
I was so busy.
No, yeah.
Better on what?
The mixer.
Yeah, and like I said, they had time to fix it.
Hmm?
What?
Hear a voice. Oh. There they are.
Oh, there you guys are a lot.
Well, do you have anything explosive to throw at them?
I have one. I got 33 shots of this.
Okay, good enough.
Come on, where is it?
What are you actually looking for, though?
I'm waiting for the key. If I go in here, it would have spawned.
¡Bloqueale el paso!
Oh, great.
What?
It's a chainsaw.
Don't worry, I won't fight that.
Oh, you won't?
You want to attack Leon. You want to attack me.
¡Cógelo!
You don't know how to knock, do they?
¡Picadillo!
There we go, finally.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. What? Hear that?
What?
It's cool.
Oh, Leon got hit.
Oh, you got the insignia key. Leave it there for a while.
Do you know that Leon see the merchant?
Yeah?
Well, he's here too.
Oh, there I am.
And the boat actually comes from you.
We have a lot of arsenals.
I don't even need an egg.
You know you can shoot that.
The egg?
Yeah.
Really? Oh, I can.
Oh, you?
I just broke it.
And a green herb. I'll use a yellow one.
Oh, nothing.
¡Os vuelvo pero pedazos!
They opened the door from upstairs.
Since you're pulling up, you know you use your other guns first.
That's a good point. I'll use my TNT. The problem is I can't upgrade anything in Ada.
¡Un forastero!
Remember the tune-up thing?
Yeah?
I can do that here in separate ways.
Oh, you can.
¡Allí está!
Where is that?
I don't know. Oh, here they come.
¡Ahí está!
What is that shining thing?
¡Un forastero!
They're behind me, aren't they?
I think so. Hey, Blade, do they have any notes in this game? I mean, in this part.
I think they don't have. I think they don't have a note here. I really can't see them.
Dark.
Yes, I can't quite see them. saw an enemy.
Nice kill. Incoming. Shoot him.
Woohoo!
Oh, nice. What? Oh, good timing. What is that?
That is money. I'm already full of money, so and I don't need it anymore.
Ah.
When you're a lousy aimer, I was just standing still there and you can't even hit me. Wait, maybe there's an enemy here.
Oh, wasn't fully reloaded. Capture it. Bye.
They both fall.
Yeah, they did.
Wait. You know, when Ada gets hit, it's a very strong hit. She has a weak defense.
Compared to Leon's.
Yeah, compared to Leon. Oh, I can't even. I can see them. Oh, you get spotted. Because I killed one of his friend. Isn't that the chainsaw one?
Yeah. You like the doubt.
I'll try.
But it's too dangerous, don't even do it.
Make sure to let go the R button at the right time. There.
Wow.
What?
Bye.
It didn't reach. I can use that for something.
What, that's a key item?
Yeah. It is key item.
Oh, that's a first. Silence.
I don't even have a beer stain. You know the round insignia?
Yeah.
You're gonna be surprised. It's actually here.
Wow. I can see it though. What's the matter?
I forgot how the code works.
Nice.
Round insignia.
Company.
And that's how Leon found the green cat's eye there.
Oh, I see.
Connected, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, guys.
Company.
¡Detrás de Tim! ¡Tim!
I know to kill every enemy I see.
Even there?
Yeah, it's normal. Oh, flash. That's what I'm looking for. That may be good enough. If I use a flash here, might stun it for a few minutes.
Yep.
That's what I asked her.
Oh.
Whoa! Oh, I can hear them from behind me.
I don't see them though.
I can hear them.
Door.
The door? What about the door?
No one open. It's locked. I hear someone whimpering on the other side. Oh, that must be Rob.
Woohoo!
Nice, okay.
I didn't even see that. Okay. Look at it.
Oh, it's upside down.
And that's how it happened.
Es hora de rezar. Tenemos que irnos. Lord Sattler.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Separate ways.
Here's what I know so far. Osmond Sadler's cult is known as Los Illuminados. They've resurrected some sort of parasitic organism they call Las Plagas. That's all my organization knows for sure, though Sadler's occult activities seem worthy of investigation. The Salazar family, Castellans for generations, possessed the ability to control Las Plagas. The organization's hypothesis is that a unique frequency of sonic wave, sensed only by the parasites, is used to control them. The same principle used in dog whistles. This was inferred through the analysis of a tissue sample we retrieved. The tissue contained an organ presumably used for sensing sound waves. I've seen cult members carrying ceremonial rods, and I wonder if they emit these sounds. Of course, this is purely theoretical. The organization needs samples of the parasite to confirm or disprove these theories. That is the main objective of my mission, and the only way to prove my loyalty to the organization. The opening moves in this chess game have been played. There's no turning back now.
Once it starts, there's no turning back, really.
I see.
The only reason I take it... No,
Well-
that's the same. That's just the same. The one she said.
Oh, true.
So I don't have to read that. So silent.
Here we are. Chapter 2.
Oh, did I mention there's only 5 chapters?
Oh, is it?
Yeah, this only take a few missions.
I thought we already also have 5 chapters.
Yeah, but it's so long, right?
True.
This one that doesn't have any dash.
Oh, right.
We have an irregularity. The researcher we planted has been discovered by the Illuminados.
You must be talking about that vagrant Spaniard. So where is he now?
He's held captive in an abandoned house located northeast of the village. Until he recovers the sample, we can't let him die.
You don't need to remind me. Luis Serra. And I thought I was high maintenance.
Chapter 2 will be a little long.
Rescue Luis.
See, look how far it is.
Whoa.
Hello.
It's me.
Does it have space?
Yeah, 1 egg, I think.
Nope. I'll save that. Where's the save point when you need one? Oh!
Kakarol. Oh, nice.
Mr. Chainsaw Head.
Yeah, I can see it.
I can see you. Come on. Come on, seriously?
Nice. Is he dead? I don't
Nope.
think he is.
He's alive. He's alive. And he's coming towards me.
Can you reload that thing?
I think I can. I'll give it a try.
No,
Nope,
you
I can't. I thought I can.
Yes, you can.
Silent, isn't it?
Yep, silence.
Roll inside.
And there's that.
All doors are opening.
What are they doing there? Resting? That was
So close, you mean? I can hear them. Oh, come on. Bad timing. Okay, guys, we'll go to the next part of the video because we're out of time. So, for today's part, so Shabin, we'll go to the next part of the video. Goodbye.
See ya.